Best memory foam mattresses in 2020. Which is the best mattress? Zinus 10 inches gel-infused mattress. Zinus 10-inch gel-infused memory foam hybrid mattress, Queen. The Zinus 10-inch gel-infused memory foam hybrid mattress provides the best combination of mattress technologies to give you the best night's sleep. The swirl gel memory foam layer ensures an ideal sleep temperature, the visco-latex layer adds additional foam comfort, while the iCoil springs provide pressure-relieving support and reduce motion transfer for uninterrupted sleep. Comfort cover is foam and fiber quilted poly jacquard. Please open your mattress package within 72 hours of receipt and allow 48 hours for your new mattress to return to its original, plush shape. Another comfort innovation from Zinus. Pioneering comfort. Swirl gel memory foam comfort, visco-latex memory foam technology, and iCoil spring support foam and fiber quilted comfort cover. Only the highest quality of memory foam. All foam is CertiPure US certified for durability, performance, and content. Smartly shipped. Our patented technology allows our mattresses to be efficiently compressed, rolled and shipped in a box conveniently to your door. Worry-free 10-year limited warranty. Sweet Night 10 inches cool gel mattress. Sweet Night Queen mattress. Queen size mattress, 10-inch gel memory foam mattress with CertiPure US certified for back pain relief, motion isolation and cool sleep. Flippable comfort from soft to medium firm. Flippable Queen mattress. Sweet Night Queen size mattress is designed to be flippable with unique 4-layered and zone foam design. Allow you to sleep on either side. It's like having 2 in 1. 2-inch of gel-infused memory foam on the top keeps you cool, followed by 1-inch and 4-inch of comfort foam. Pressure points and keep body balanced. 3-inch of high-density support foam on the bottom for durability and performance, strengthens edge-to-edge support, resists sagging and roll-off. Back pain relief and motion isolation. The mattress Queen size features a plush, soft surface that leaves you floating on a cloud, while the bottom offers medium queen firm mattress support. Perfectly contour your body. Say goodbye to back pain. Plus the Queen memory foam mattress eliminates motion transfer, controls motion to prevent localized bounce, so you can sleep through your partner's tossing and turning and wake up refreshed. The Queen bed mattress is great for all sleeping positions. Health and mattresses. Queen CertiPure US certified foam made without harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, or other heavy metals. The foam mattresses cover is made with breathable rayon cotton fabric, naturally prevents the growth of stain and odor causing mold and mildew. As with most new purchases, any new product smell that you may experience is harmless and will dissipate in few days. Enjoy healthier sleep with this memory foam mattress. Queen super easy delivery solution and mattress in a box. Our memory foam Queen mattress is compressed and boxed, not only saving on shipping but making it much more manageable once it arrives at your home. Easy to move through narrow hallways and staircases. Fits all frames, such as box spring, adjustable and slatted base, even hospital bed. Choose one comfort to your liking with the Sweet Night mattress. 10 years no-risk warranty and best fair mattress. With our exceptional, we have you covered. Our cooling mattress offers durability, performance, and peace of mind thanks to a 10-year limited. We offer 24/7 service. You can contact us anytime for support. We recommend sleeping on it for a few weeks in order to give your mattress a chance to break into the way you sleep. Mattresses. Queen size memory foam mattress. Memory foam mattress Queen smartly shipped and a mattress in a box to your door. Our mattresses are compressed, rolled and shipped in a box. Easy to move through narrow hallways and staircases. We recommend sleeping on it for a few weeks in order to give your mattress a chance to break into the way you sleep. Lisa mattress. Lisa 10 inches memory foam mattress in a box, luxury CertiPure US certified 3-layer foam construction, king, gray and white. Our mattress, great things come in small packages. The Lisa mattress in a box is beautifully designed with 3 premium foam layers for cooling, body contouring and pressure relieving core support. With the all-new top layer of high-quality foam, you'll experience enhanced pressure relief and better rest. The Lisa mattress offers a universal adaptive feel, which adapts to your body type while you sleep, regardless of your sleeping style. Cooling comfort. Our exclusive high-quality foam's microcell structure promotes airflow while still providing the perfect amount of hug and bounce. So, you sleep cooler and get the comfort and support you need. Made in USA, the Lisa mattress is designed, assembled and manufactured in the USA with high-performance foams. Sleep easy, because we know it takes more than one night to fall in love. We want to make your purchase 100% risk-free. All Lisa mattresses include a 100-night in-home trial backed by a no-hassle, full refund policy. Wrapped in luxury, all Lisa mattresses are covered with our iconic 4-stripe mattress cover. We've worked hard to make this highly breathable, virtually seamless mattress cover with no tapered edges one of the most comfortable mattress covers on the market, so you can sleep well. Our social impact. We set out to create a company with heart, one that measures our success as much by our bottom line as by our impact on the world. We donate 1 mattress for every 10 we sell pillows to and volunteer in our local communities.